This Disney Funko Pop makes us nearly £150 in a month. Welcome back to Dan's Deals. Every Sunday we take one product and learn something about Amazon FBA from it. This week we are looking at the Disney Turning Red Funko Pop. I've never watched Turning Red. Would you recommend it if you have seen it? Of course, let me know in the comments. Engagement. So we could buy this Funko Pop for $11.99 from the website Pop-in-a-Bot. But the thing that we're going to take away from this product is to check for discounts. On Pop-in-a-Box, you can actually buy 4 Funko Pop for £15, meaning that if we get 4 of these Funko Pops, we're actually only buying them for £5 each. Going from $11.99 to £5 each is a massive saving and is actually what makes this a viable Amazon FBA product. So if we were using the original price of $11.99, this would just be pointless. We wouldn't even look into this at all. But the fact we're now getting it for £5 is what makes it viable. Always check for those discounts and the multi-pack offers. This product has 938 reviews with 5 stars overall, so it's a popular product from those that have bought it. Not bad sales, 31 to 59 a month, which is okay, it's workable, but it only has 4 other Amazon FBA sellers, which is fantastic because we can definitely be competitive on this listing. The return on investment isn't as good, unfortunately. It's 47%, which is okay, it's workable, and we are happy with it. 30% is the minimum for us, so 47 is above that, and it's okay, it's good. There's no warnings to worry about with this. It's not a variation listing. It's not incredibly heavy. That would be a very big Funko Pop, and it's not hazmat. Of the 4 Amazon FBA sellers that are competing on this listing, only one of them actually has any stock, and they only have 2 products. So this is wide open for us to take advantage and get on this listing. Looking at the price graph, the one thing we would be concerned about for this product is the fact that Amazon have been on the listing. You should be able to see on your screen right now what it looks like when Amazon are on the listing, so you can be wary of that when you come to source your next products. If Amazon are on the listing, that's bad news because it means we will be competing with Amazon, which is incredibly difficult to do. Amazon is able to get their stock for much cheaper and at higher volumes, which me, you, and everybody else in the world would struggle to compete with. If Amazon are on the listing, be hesitant. We do have some customers that take on Amazon and have some success with it, but in general it's something we would just never suggest to do. So the main things to take away from this product is that always look for discounts and multi-pack offers, and please always check if Amazon have been on the listing, as that can cause issues. And as just a reminder, we don't actually recommend to buy this product. It's being put on YouTube, it's a public space. At least tens of people will see this video and they may already be on the listing. So do be wary, others will be watching this and they may try to get on this listing as well. But with that, thank you very much for watching another episode of Dan's Deals. We will be back next Sunday. Hold your excitement, I know. We will be back. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment your opinions. Do you want to see any other Amazon FBA guide videos? Let us know any questions you have about Amazon FBA and we'll try our best to answer them, or we'll make a video on it. Subscribe and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye.